Myself, Aliza Zaki. My roll number is EBB210114, and in my section I have the topic procedure of the test. The tests which are performed for the reduction of monosaccharides, glucose and galactose are of five kinds: Moles test, iodine test, Benedict test, Barfoed test and Selivanov test. Each test has its specific purpose of indication. That is, Smallest test is used for indicating the presence of carbohydrate, whereas iodine test is used for the indication of polysaccharides. Benedict test is used for the indication of reducing and non-reducing sugar. Barfoed test is used for the indication of monosaccharide or disaccharide, whereas Selivanov test is used for the indication of aldoses and ketoses. Now, the procedure of these tests are: Moles test. Take 2 ml of a sample, that is given original solution, and then add few drops of alpha naphthol, mix it and add concentrated H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, along the wall of test tube. Here is the precaution required, that is sulfuric acid always be added along the wall of test tube. Now our procedure is completed and we have to observe that if purple ring appears, it indicates the presence of carbohydrates and test is considered as positive. Whereas in iodine test, now number 2, take 2 ml of sample and add few drops of iodine solution. Now procedure is completed. If transparent yellow-orange color appears, it indicates the presence of mono or disaccharide. Whereas if sample gives dark blue, black or reddish color, it means that it is the presence of polysaccharide. As I described the procedure of two tests, now the third test is Benedict test. In the procedure of Benedict test, we have to take the equal volume of sample and the Benedict solution and heat it using a burner for not more than 3 minutes. Now the procedure is completed. We have to observe if red color or PPT appears, that means that reducing sugar is present and test will be considered as positive. But if no change take place, then non-reducing sugar is present and test will be considered as negative. Fourth test, Barfoed test. Take 2 to 3 ml of sample and add 2 ml of Barfoed reagent and heat it for 5 minutes. Here we can heat to 5 minutes, whereas in Benedict test we can heat not more than 3 minutes. So after 5 minutes we have to observe that if after 5 minutes color is appearing, then we have to say that there is a presence of disaccharide. But if the PPT appears before 5 minutes, then it is monosaccharide. It is completed. Now the fifth and the last test, which procedure I am going to say, is Selivanov test. In a test tube, we take a 1 ml of a sample and add 2 ml of a Selivanov reagent. In this test, we have taken a sample in a less quantity and a reagent in a high quantity, and then we heat it to boil. To first boil, we only heat it because if we heat excess, there is a failure of a result. Now the observation we can have to made is that if red color appears, it shows that the ketone group is present, whereas if aldoses are present, they can give brown, yellow or no color change. The topic which I have in my section is procedure is now complete.